Hello everyone, welcome to our lesson for grade 7 as we do our core topic, which is geometry. So geometry is simply how to find coordinates like 10, 4 and 10, 2. 10, 4 and 10, 2, like y, x. So these are the coordinates on which you find on the graph. So I have my question here which says find the distance between 10, 7 and y3. So a graph has the y-axis, these ones which are vertical, and the ones that are horizontal which are x-axis. So like here 10, 7 and 10, 3. So these are y-axis and x-axis and y-axis like this. So the 10 here is from the x-axis and the 7 here is from the y-axis. So the distance between the points 10, 7 and 10, 3 is the length of the line segment that connects them. So what they mean is the line segment which connects 10, 7 here and 10, 3. That's the distance. This is what they mean by the distance between the points. And it says both points have an x-coordinate of 10, so the line segment will be vertical. You can count to find the line segment length. Start at, okay, so let's first illustrate on the graph here. Which one is, okay, let me write here, 10, 7 and 10, 3. So 10 here, remember, is the x-axis. So from 10 from x and 7 from y. 10 and 7 is in the middle of x here, of 6 and 8 here. So it's here. That's 10, 7. And 10, 3. 10 and 3 is here. That's 10, 3. So your line will be vertical. Like this. So this is the point 10, 7 and 10, 3. You see the 3 is here and the 7 is here. So you can count to find the line segment length. Start at 10, 7 and count to 10, 3. The line segment is 4 units long. So you have to count from here to here. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So to find the distance between 10, 7 and 10, 3, you subtract 7 minus 3. Here, 7 minus 3 here, which is equal to 4. So the distance between 10, 7 and 10, 3 is 4. Distance. So distance is distance between coordinates 10, 7 and 10, 3 is equal to 4. Is equal to 4 like this. You see. So remember we said these are the x-axis and the y-axis. x and y axis. So always know which one is the x-axis and which one is the y-axis. The y-axis is the lines that is vertical, and the one that is horizontal, that's the x-axis. So this is how you find the distance between given coordinates on a graph. So I'm going to give you another example. Right. So the question says find the distance between points 6, 8 and 6, 3. Find the distance between the points 6, 8 and 6, 3. So remember, the distance between the points 6, 8 and 6, 3 is the length of the line segment that connects them. So this one is the x and the y, the x-axis and the y-axis. So the x-axis we have 6 and the y-axis is 8. So this one is, so you come on your graph here, the x-axis, the 6 here, the 6 here, and the y-axis is 8. So put your dots here, you mark here, that's the point 6, 8, and 6 from 6 axis and 3y, that's here. So that's point 6 and 3. So your line is, the line is vertical like this. So to find the distance between the coordinates 6, 8 and 6, 3, remember we said you subtract the 8 from the 3. So say 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. So the distance between coordinates 6, 8 and 6, 3 is equal to 5. You see? Right. So whenever you're illustrating on your graph, always know which one are the x-axis and the y-axis. The y-axis, remember, is the vertical line, and the x-axis is the horizontal line. So this is how you simply find coordinates on a graph. Example, you're given another graph which says So it says find the distance between points 38 and 68. So you want to find the points 38 and 68. So this is our x and y, the x-axis and the y-axis. So the x-axis, here we have 3 and 8. So you can 3 and 8 here. And the other one is 6 and 8. 6 and 8. That's the 3, 8 and 6, 8. This one is different. The line is horizontal. You see, the line is horizontal. So the distance between coordinates 38 and 68 is 0. So distance is 0. So this is how you find the distance between given points on your graph. Each and every time you have to find the y-axis and the axis. You have to know which one is the y-axis and which one is the x-axis. And remember, the x-axis is the one that goes horizontal and the y-axis the one that are vertical. So this is all for our lesson today. Until we meet again in our next lesson. Bye.